Okay, so let me show you a quick trick. But before that, I spread this card face up and make sure that the cards are completely mixed, right? Happy? Now, I want you to pick any card you like. So this is your selection. You take a look at the card and show it to the camera. Got it? Let me take your card back. Take a last look. Now I want you to push that card in. Great. So let me square these cards. Okay, so I want you to cut the deck at the 1/3 position. Give it another cut. And you finish that cut. Now it's pretty impossible to find your card, right? As you can see. But we are going to find your card with the help of your pulse. So you are right-handed or left-handed. So I want you to point out your right hand index finger. And we are going to read your pulse. As we run through the deck, we are going to find your card. Okay, so I think it's not over here, right? So we eliminate these cards. Once again, point out your index finger. Okay, so it's not over here. So we eliminate these two. Now for the last time, you point out your index finger. Okay, so I guess it's no. It's this one, right? You pull that card out. So this was your selection, right? Great, thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to teach you how to find a spectator's card with the help of their pulse rate. It is an easy, impromptu and self-working trick. So you can also do this trick with the borrowed deck of cards. So grab yourself a deck of cards and let's get started. Okay, so here is the explanation of the trick. So in this trick you are going to learn a technique called as a key card principle that you will get to know ahead. So to start off, you spread the deck face up and you tell the spectator to examine the deck. While they are taking a look at the cards, you are going to track this card. So this is going to be your key card, the bottom one. So in this case it is the Jack of Clubs. So this is your key card and it is going to help you to track their selection. Then you close the spread and you tell the spectator to pick any card they like. So this is going to be their selection. So their selection is right now the King of Clubs. Then I tell the spectator to place the card on the deck and you give a cut. Now their selection is here. When I finish the cut, our key card is at the bottom. That means our key card will be exactly above their selection. So if I turn the card face up and if I finish the cut, and here's how the key card principle works. If I spread the card like this, then their selection will be exactly next to their key card. So if I remove these cards, every time the selection will be at the right side of the key card. So this is a key card, Jack of Clubs, and this is their selection. This works every single time. So once again, so here is their selection. They place the card on the deck. I give a cut. Now, no matter how many cuts you give, it is not going to change the position of the key card and the selection. Then I tell the spectator to cut about 1/3 of the cards. Give another cut and finish that cut. Okay. Then I spread the card and I tell the spectator that it's completely impossible to find a card, whereas we know. So we have to only find our key card. So here is our key card, the Jack of Clubs, and here is their selection. Now I ask the spectator to to point out their right hand index finger. So go ahead and point out your right hand index finger, and I am going to pretend that I am going to read their pulse, and I am going to find the card with the help of their pulse. So they point out the finger, then you run through the deck once and you come back. Now here you can reveal their card at the first time, or you can eliminate the card just like in performance. I prefer to eliminate some cards. So when I come back, I eliminate some cards from this side and I close the spread and spread the cards again. Then I tell them to point once again. You run through the deck once and you come back. Then you eliminate some cards from this side. Now the third time you are going to reveal their card. So you spread the cards again. Now you know their card is over here. So what you do, you pass their card. Now you are going to tell the spectator like you are going to point at the wrong card. So you come down at the wrong card and you go back to the selection and you stop over there and you tell the spectator to pull that card out. Okay, so that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any issue, comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. Till then, goodbye.